Today is Thursday, July the 30th, and of course the big news was the earnings of Facebook, Google, Amazon, and Apple, which means that we should just have a NASDAQ blowout day tomorrow. But that shouldn't obscure the fact that we're in this choppiness for the McClellan oscillator, which has now dipped below zero again. And you can see here where we've expanded a bit. We've really been since July the 13th in this very narrow range where the McClellan oscillator has been going above and below the zero neutral line and really not doing an awful lot. The volume today was less than yesterday. The selling, of course, far exceeded the buying in terms of the overall volume. But this is what got the market excited. And we take a look at these three charts here. And this is a 1-minute chart showing Apple after they reported their earnings, and it's still creeping up, now up to 409.55 in after hours trading. Amazon equally. Let's just take out the Ichimoku there, and you can see Amazon popped up and now has flattened out, but that's also a 5.6% gain, up $171. Apple up $29. Facebook up $16, up 7%. So, you know, despite everything with the economy, those companies look pretty good. Overall now, this is the weekly S&P. Tomorrow is Friday. So we're right in the middle of the high of the low and the high of the week and the low of the week, well above the cloud. The Chico span is in here where it's resting just at the top of this candle, not at the top of the wick clearly, but you can see it right in here, just at the top of that candle. So tomorrow, if it can finish above that candle, that's going to be a good sign going forward for the S&P. And we could be heading towards 33.93 in spite of everything else that's going on. States shutting down again. It's uncertain. So the NASDAQ looks like this, and we're going to see a big pop tomorrow, probably up to the 138.2%. That area has been resistance. And here's a different Fibonacci that we were looking at. 150% of a different wave was certainly resistance. We could see ourselves up in that area tomorrow. So Apple looks like something like this after hours. Caterpillar pulled back $4. You know, is still playing in the top of that Gartley expansion range. Home Depot had a not so bad day, finished above the 8 EMA. I was into Home Depot today. It wasn't very busy, but you know, that's just one person, one day. Whirlpool, really just double topping, you know, with this previous high here. So overall, you know, everybody's, what they call it the dumb money. If you follow Sentiment Trader, the dumb money is really big into this market and is buying options. So take that for what it means. Go and look at sentimenttrader.com and see what he says about dumb money and what typically happens when dumb money is this deep into the market.